Dear Rector, dear academic community, dear professors, dear students, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to thank the Rector of the University of Primorska, Professor Dr. Vladi for the kind invitation for me to take part in the annual academy and to be a recipient of the honorary doctorate for the year 2024. It is an honor for me to receive such an important recognition for my work in highlighting the importance of the link between education, research and innovation. I regret that I cannot be with you today in person due to engagements in Bulgaria, but I would like to address all of you, dear participants in the annual academy, for your vital contribution to European research and education. I would also like to congratulate all other awardees this year for your important impact on science, arts and academia. Higher education institutions have a unique position at the crossroads of education, research and innovation. I believe that universities are at the center of the European innovation landscape. I want Europe to have the necessary reserve of talent to be a leader in the new wave of deep tech innovation. Therefore, we need people with the necessary entrepreneurial, innovative and technical skills. The cornerstone for this is building a strong link between higher education and innovation. I would like to congratulate everyone at the University of Primorska and thank you for being an active participant in key European initiatives in the areas of higher education. You are a concrete example how, by connecting the spheres of innovation and education, we can encourage the entrepreneurial spirit of the next generation. I'm convinced that higher education institutions have an exceptional capacity for innovation and are a prerequisite for a conducive innovation ecosystem. Together, we can make Europe a driving force for a knowledge-based economy, nurturing a strong talent pool, linking universities with innovation sectors, and forming regional ecosystems of living labs and innovation centers. I can only encourage all of you, researchers, professors, students, innovators, to continue to foster greater cooperation in the realm of higher education across Europe. Thank you once again, and I wish you much success at this year's Annual Academy.